What's poppin', y'all? It's K Code, the money making jig is here, man. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm here to do is help yourselves make money. And not only that, man, share some good information. So what I just did is I bought 80 more shares of Sound. See, I'm showing you my account. So everything's authentic and we learning from experience. So one of the reasons why I bought SoundHound AI is because well, it's a AI stock, and it's hovers around anywhere from $5 to $7. And I really think that any tech stock, any AI stock in this day and age where AI is still just starting off, you should definitely look into investing in at those prices because even if it goes up, let's say to $25, you just probably made five times your money. Yeah. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to the growth of SoundHound. I'm not gonna say it's gonna grow in the next few weeks, but I'll say it's definitely going to grow in the next year or two. Also, I'm getting into stocks more because the rates are going down, and that's when the Fed starts to lower these rates and ease inflation, a lot of more money is going to pour back into the market, and that's going to rise the whole sector. So I'm looking forward to just making the profits on just to go the flow of the market as you see. Not only that, Soundhound has just paid back its debt, so it's debt free and it's sitting on about 200 million in cash now. That debt that they paid back was supposed to be paid back in probably like the next 10 years. They paid it back this year. So last quarter, they definitely made more profits, but then they turn around and take some of that cash and buy and make an acquisition and get another AI company, an AI company that generates profits already. So they took some of that money and then invested into another AI company that they expect to also put on the balance sheet coming up in 2025. That's next year. Less than half a year, ladies and gentlemen. So basically, this company is positioning itself, and if you've gone through those drive-throughs and used AI before, I mean, SoundHound is on the cutting edge of voice technology. When they hear your voice in something, and yes, it's also interesting to look into how advanced voice recognition is now. So they're using it in all type of installations now, and SoundHound is just finding more ways to um, use their technology in everybody's business. So the growth on this company, man, it could be astronomical. I see it actually being a $50 company, and at $5 now, this is definitely a great investment to get into if you're looking for a company that you can watch grow and become the next Microsoft, the next Facebook. This is definitely one of those tech companies. It's going to have its fluctuations as most tech companies do. Um, like I said, I've been gradually investing into this company, so I just bought another 80 stocks at around 531. And yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you. My position right now, I probably own about 13,000 dollars worth of sound health, and it's not doing too good for me right now. As you see, I'm in the red. But like I said, when that's one of my strategies I like to share. When your stock does go down, man, don't panic, don't sell it. What you want to do is buy more so it brings your strike price that you bought it at lower, so that when it goes higher, you make not only your money back but even more. That's just one of my strategies. When my stocks go down, I'll just buy more because then it brings when it goes back up, I could make money off of when it goes back up because not only am I gonna wait till I'm not gonna only profit when it gets back to what I bought it at. It's going to go above that, and then I'm going to be able to profit even more buying the stock at a lower price. I feel like you're always going to get a deal on the stock that's going down if you've got great fundamentals in it. You got to ride the wave. And what day trading is to me is trying to take those waves and limit how many losses you take so you can maximize your profits in the stock market, because just naturally holding your stock, you're gonna every 10 years you're gonna probably make $1 million every 10,000. That's just the average going rate. So if you could go through those fluctuations of saying when your stock goes up 50%, 100%, or doubles, or goes down 30%, if you can stop those losses and make more profits, you stand to really be able to create some wealth and um, have a career for yourself. I've been investing for 15 years now, so like I said, I like to try to share my experience on how I came up with my methods of my buy and sell orders. But yeah, make sure you tuning in, man. Soundhound Stock Bet is definitely in my portfolio. It's what I got, man. I like to show people through transparency, win or lose, man. We can talk about it, and that's how we gonna get better at all this stuff, man. Make sure you tuning in. It's K Code, Drip God.